大家好, I'm Rui from Longwen Chinese School. Welcome to our HSK1 grammar session. 你好 means hello. This Chinese word may not be unfamiliar to you, and it is heard in many places lately. But did you know that we have various ways of greeting? And do you know that those greetings have their logic? This is what we are going to discuss today, and we will also learn how to say goodbye in Chinese. First of all, let's start with the keyword for this session. 我 means I. 你 means you. 他 means he or she. 们 is the plural for person. 好 means good or well. 在 means again. 见 means to see, and 明天 means tomorrow. Firstly, it is worth mentioning that there is a logic to forming greetings, and often there is a logic in understanding and memorizing some Chinese characters. Now, let's analyze two of the new words, 您 and 好. 您 means you, polite way. Here, we say that the word has two components, 你 and 心. 你 means you, and 心 means heart. In another word, when someone treats you with their heart, they are showing respect towards you. Therefore, the word formed by 你 and 心 means you in a polite way. 好 means good or well. The two components of this word are 女 and 子. 女 means woman or girl, and 子 means man or son. It can be interpreted that when a family has a son or daughter, it is something good. This interpretation remains the same when a man has a wife and a child. Additionally, when a woman pairs with a man, that also represents something good. All of this shows that, according to Chinese philosophy, family holds significant importance. Logic can also be found in the formation of Chinese words. We already know how to say singular pronouns. 我 means I, 你 means you, 他 means he or she. Furthermore, we know there's a word that means plural for person, man. To change singular pronouns, we just need to add the word men as a suffix to the words. For example, we is said 我们, you is said 你们, the male is said 他们, and the female is also 他们. After familiarizing ourselves with the keywords of this session, let's return to the topic of greetings. We know that 你好 means hello. Literally, you good. Following this logic, let's think about how we should greet an older person, teachers, or bosses with respect. Instead of use 你, we use the more polite pronouns. 您好 meaning you good. And if we want to greet a group of people, the answer would be 你们好 meaning you all good. Those three forms are used in formal occasions. However, when you are on the street in China, you will often find that people don't greet this way. They ask 你吃了吗 meaning have you eaten? This is a very colloquial greeting used with neighbors when you run into them during your daily work after breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Lately, let's look at how to say goodbye. The combinations of words is also interesting. 再见 means see you later or goodbye. It is a combination of again and to see. It means see you again. And to see you tomorrow, you use 明天见, which literally means see you tomorrow. In a more colloquial manner, bye-bye is also used, which is a phonetic translation of the English bye. Now, let's see 3 dialogue to reinforce the studied content. 你好，你好，您好，你们好，再见，明天见。Do you already know how to greet and say goodbye correctly in Chinese? Surely you do. If you like our video, please give it a like and subscribe. Your support gives us strength to improve. See you in the next grammar video. Goodbye for now. 再见。